Is there any HEIC to JPG Windows app or software that can convert HEIC to JPG or JPG on Windows 10.8.7? Yeah, definitely. In this video, we shall give you a detailed tutorial on how to convert HEIC to JPG on PC easily. Part 2. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows with Convert HEIC to JPG Converter. Install HEIC to JPG Converter on your computer and launch it. Then, click Add HEIC or drag HEIC or HEIC images to the program directly. Your HEIC pictures will be listed in the program interface. Select your desired ones to convert. Choose the output format JPG JPEGN. Check or uncheck Keep EXIF data and then set the output path. Click Convert to convert HEIC to JPG, JPEG, or N. When the process completes, please click the Show in Folder option to view your photos. Part 3. Convert HEIC to JPG on PC via HEIC image extensions. Installing HEIC image extensions on your computer can add support for the HEIC format to the Photos app. After the installation, you can view the JPG images on your PC, or copy the photos from the PC to an iPhone or Android phone. Part 4. Change HEIC to JPG on PC online. There is also a fairly simple way to complete the conversion from HEIC to JPG directly on the web page. Frequently asked questions about HEIC. How to stop my iOS device saving photos in HEIC format. On your iOS device, open the Settings app and scroll down until you find Camera. Tap it and then tap on Formats. Change the option from High Efficiency to Most Compatible.